1, 2, 3. Shake your boobs now. Missing your face and your touch, missing your kiss and your love, missing every little bit and piece of you. Baby, would you meet me halfway? 'Cause I'm down for you. Ooh, the many things that I would do just to feel you, hold you. Man, it's so hard not to have you here. You're probably sitting like me, missing you, baby. Ooh-wee. Promise to listen before you sleep. 'Cause when I'm staring at the stars, looking at the moon, wishing that I could be there with you. It's okay and it's alright. Baby, listen to this lullaby. Good night, sleep tight. Dream away with me tonight. Yeah, we can sit on the phone, listen all night until the early morning. It's still not the same when you're far away. Hearing your voice, I have no choice. It's the only way to make me feel closer. I guess till then, just listen. 'Cause when I'm staring at the stars, looking at the moon, wishing that I could be there with you. It's okay and it's alright. Baby, listen to this lullaby. Good night, sleep tight. Dream away with me tonight. Wherever you are, no matter how far, just listen for me, sing me to sleep. I love you.
Good night.
Good night. Dream away with me tonight. Dream away with me tonight. I choked on my spit. Perfect two. Perfect. Perfect two. You get it? So this is how we do it. Yo, you can be the peanut butter to my jelly, or you can be the butterflies I feel in my belly. You can be the captain and I can be your first mate. You can be the chills that I feel on the first day.
You can be the hero and I can be the sidekick. You can be the tear that I cry if we ever split. You can be the rain from the cloud when it's storming. You can be the sun when it shines in the morning.
Don't know if I could ever be without you, 'cause for you complete me. And in time I know that we'll both see that we're all we need. 'Cause you're the apple to my pie, you're the straw to my berry, boom, boom, smoke to my high. You're the one I wanna marry, marry. 'Cause you're the one for me, for me, for me. And I'm the one for you, for you, for you. Take a both of us, of us, of us. And we're the perfect two. We're the perfect two.
We're the perfect two.
Yo,
With a
baby, me and you, we're the perfect two. Yo, you can be the prince and I can be a princess, but I think I'm gonna come and save you from your distress. You can be the shoes and I can be the laces. You can be the heart that I spill on the pages.
You could be the vodka and I could be the chaser. You could be the pencil and I could be the paint.
Write it.
You can be as cold as a winter wind.
Big Bear.
I don't care as long as we're together.
Yo, I don't know if we could ever be, 'cause boy, without you, you don't
No me,
complete
no me.
me. And
In time, I know that we will both see that we're all we need.
the apple to my pie, oh yeah.
Straw to my berry.
Put those little nuts in.
Up to my high.
Smoke to my high.
You're the one I wanna marry.
Better get me a dress.
You're the one
For me, for me.
I'm the one for you, for you. Take the both of us, We're the perfect
Yeah,
two.
yeah.
We're the perfect two.
Perfect too.
We're
leave us, we gon' leave you too. And now, you know that I shouldn't live without you. Baby, what you doing, huh? What? Oh, yeah, I love the way you smile. And maybe in just a while, we can see me walking down the aisle. Yeah, cause, baby,
You're the perfect two, cause you're the apple to my pie.
yeah.
You're the strawberry. You're the smoke to my high.
Smoke that shit.
You're the one I wanna marry. Cause you're the one for me, for me.
Yeah,
For you, for you,
for you.
For us, for us.
Yeah,
We're the perfect two.
for the perfect two. For the perfect two. Just me and you, baby. Oh yeah. So this is our goodbye greetings. You can find us all on Tumblr. And look at this mirror. You better say goodbye, cause this is time for us. Sayonara.